is happening, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic evening. Racing Robert, tuned Hellcat, so I'm gonna have to tree his ass. Got him on the tree. Creeping up on me. Oh, that was such a good race. Oh, that was a good race, Robert. Oh, I might have got him though. Got him just a little bit on the 60 foot. Just a little bit on the 60 foot. His car will out mile an hour me on the big end with that tune, transmission and engine as well. But and I saw him coming. That fender was just tippy toeing up on me. Oh, we're gonna have to see what the time slip tells us, but I might have got the win on it. But that was super close. That is gonna be a really good race. On paper, I'm sure, because that 60 foot, or I'm sorry, the reaction time was dead even. Pages are showing a 10.7 at 129. I don't think it's going to be that fast, but it might be roughly that quick, somewhere in the 70s. Thank you, ma'am. 1073 on a 1075. I got him. We ran 128.43. He was 130.77. So yeah, a couple of miles an hour, which is right. He was just tippy toeing on me. But that is a whole shot win. And she didn't 60 foot that hard either. My car. He actually had a better 60 foot. For you 8th mile guys, I ran a 6.98. He ran a 6.91. Yep, that's about right. He started coming around on the big end. Oh, what a good race. 0.02 of a second. Density altitude still hovering around 2,200 feet. Looking at 83 degrees. Humidity's probably, I'd say, about 75%, give or take. It is Houston after all. So anyway, that's a wrap on this one. Hope y'all had fun with that race. I sure did. Adios.